above the curve equation, can we write it? Curve equation minus another one line equation. So curve equation is, this is our curve equation, which is 2 plus 3x minus x square, and the line equation is, which is y equals to 2. Let me write here 2 minus 2, and we would get from there 2 and 2 we can cut out. So our equation becomes 3x minus x squared. So this area easily we can find out if we already have two values of x. One is here, which is x equals to 0, and another value x equals to 2. So if we integrate from here this value from 0 to 2, then definitely we would get this area, shaded area of this curve equation. So let you integrate and put our limit. So this is the equation 3x minus x squared. So you can write it 3x squared by 2, then minus x cubed by 3. That is our equation. And we're going to put our limit, which is 2 and 0. So let it calculate 3 by 2 into 2 square minus 2 to the power cube by 3, and if we put our 0, then it's the whole equation becomes 0. So our equation is, I think, 3 to the 6 minus 8 by 3, and this is 3 6 the 18 minus 8 by 3, which is 18 minus 8 by 3, which is 10 over 3. This is our equation. We also can write in mixed fraction 3 over 1 by 3 unit square. This is our answer of this question. This is the one way to do this question. You also can do that equation by integrate the curve equation from 0 to 2. This is another way, minus area under the line, which is, we can say 2 into 2 base into height. It's a square area, 2 into 2. So you would get from here the same answer, which is 3 over 1 by 3. You can check with yourself, but this procedure is definitely easiest procedure, curve minus line, and to integrate throughout the equation. So in this stage we are going to move the question number 3. We are considering this value 3x squared plus 2 equals to 14 to get our value of x from here. So you can write it 3x squared equals to 12, x squared equals to 4. So x value we got from here 2. So this is the value plus minus 2, but we could consider this is as a 2. This is the value we got 2. Now the first one, the whole area, if we consider as a rectangle, then we would get from there, which is 14 into 2. So shaded area for question number 3, it is, you can write 14 into 2, which gives us the whole area, I mean dotted line into the 2 rectangular area, minus the area we are going to find out under the curve, which I'm going to mark here red color, area under the curve. That part we needed to subtract. So this is the area under the curve. So we needed to write the equation just from 3x squared plus 2. This is the equation dx, and its limit is from 0 to 2, and then we get the shaded area of this question. So 14 into 2 is 28. The value we got from here, minus, let you finish your integration, which is 3x cubed by 3, 3x cubed divided by 3, then plus 2x. Let me put the limit 2 and 0. We also can write it 28 minus, let me put the limit, you can cut off 3 and 3, which is 2 cube, then plus 2 into 2, and if we put it at 0, all terms become 0. So that is our expression, which is 28 minus 8 minus 4. So 16 unit square is our answer of this question. Hope you understood this question, how we are solving that type of question from here. Next question is question number 4. Let me try the question number 4 as well from here. 4 is given here, this shaded region, so easily we can do that. So area under the curve, full area we can find out by from here, the red zone area. This is under the curve. If we integrate full area under the curve, it will will get out the full area. Say 2 sine 2x. We are going to integrate plus 3 cos x, and its limit is given here. This is the x value 0 from pi by 2. that limit you're going to put 0 and upper limit is 5/2. Then we need to subtract the curve under the line which I marked here, the blue color. This is clearly formed a triangle. So triangle area we know half into base into height. So we can write it. We need to give here the dx integration minus half into base into height. Base is 5/2 and where its height is 3. So that is the total working of this question. Let me integrate, which gives us 2 sine 2 is x minus 2/2 sine becomes cos 2x. Then another part is 3 cos x, so we can write here 3 sine x as well, because if we integrate sine x it gives us the positive value and limit is pi/2 comma 0, and from there we'd get 3 pi/4 on the right side. Now we needed to finish our this part, integration part. It is actually having with the pi/2, so we can write here 3 sine pi/2. We are putting the limit pi/2 first, then minus cos pi/2 is given here, so we can write here 2 into pi/2, 2 into pi/2. This is the first part. If we put here pi/2, then if we put here 0, then minus first one is a 0, 3 into sine 0 is 0, 3 sine 0 is 0, then another part is minus cos 0. We know cos 0 is 1, and outer side it is written here 3 pi/4. Now we are going to finish it. Sine pi/2 we know 1, then you can write here 3 into 1 minus cos pi. So we all know the cos pi value is minus 1, so we can write here minus into minus 1 inside of the bracket, then minus another part. Cos 0 is also 1, so minus 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 and minus, this is the plus 1 we can write. Cos 0 is 1 and outer side is 3 pi/4. So our answer is 3 plus 1 plus 1 3 4 5 5 minus 3 pi/4. This is our exact value. We can write here unit square. That is our answer of this question. Hope you understood the question we have done for you. Let you move to some other question from here. In this stage we are trying to solve the question number 7. It's again written here, the curve equation bounded by curve and another one line equation is given. So curve equation under the curve till to here we needed to integrate from x equals to 0 to the point this one, so we have to find out the value. And the line equation, because line is under the straight line, so we can use the triangle area rather than doing the integration. So we need to find out first the intersection point. Let you consider that equation 3 root x equals to another equation is 10 minus x. 10 minus x. So we have to find out the value from here. What is the value? It's actually the quadratic equation to solve it. If we consider root x equals to y, then equation is 3y equals to 10 minus, if root x equals to y, then x equals to y square we know. So just put it there, y square. So it's a quadratic, y square plus 3y minus 10 equals to 0. Now factorize y square plus 5y minus 2y minus 10 equals to 0. So if we take y common, then y plus 5. Another part, if we take minus 2 common, y plus 5 equals to 0. So two values of y equals to 2 on point, another one y equals to negative 5. So we would not consider the value as a negative. So our value of y we got from here, which is y equals to 2. So root x equals to 2. Then from here you can write x equals to, if we make square on the both side, x equals to 4. So this is our value we got from here, 4. So from the left side till to under the curve with the till to the point 4, we need to integrate. This is 3 root x and limit is from 0 to 4. Then plus on the right side another shaded part. I'm going to mark it with the red color. This is the another shaded part. We can find it out by using the triangle area, or we also can find out by using the integration as well, same. So we have to find out this point. What is this point? Because the x-axis, we should consider y equals to 0. That you consider 10 minus x equals to 0. X value we got 10. So this is the value 10. So and another point we need to find out what is the value of this point coordinate, because y value is needed here. So if we put x equals to 4 here in that stage, then it becomes 10 minus 4. It gives us 6. So this is the coordinate. We can write here 4 comma 6 at that intersection point. So now easily we can add our triangle area, which is half into base. Base means this distance is called the base, which is 10 minus 4. We can write is 10 minus 4, which is 6. And its height is, that value is called the height from here to there. This is the value of 6 again. So right there 6. Now easily you can find out the answer. Let me integrate first 3 root x. So we can write 3 x to the power half plus 1. Half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 as integration, we know. And its limit is from 4 to 0. And from the right side it is half into 36. 6 into 6, 36. Now let me put our limit. So 3 3 by 2, so we can write 2 by 3 into 3 x to the power 3 by 2, and its limit is 4 to 0 plus, and this value we got from here 18. So let's put our limit. We can cut out 3 and 2, so 2x to the power. Now we are going to put our limit 4 to the power 3 by 2. If we put here instead of x, first limit is 4 and then the limit is 0, so it gives us 0, definitely plus 18. So 2 into 4 to the power square root is 2 cube is 8, yeah, plus 18. So it is 16 plus 18. You may use calculator, no problem. So this is 34 units square. Hope you understood this question, the way we solve. Next tutorial we try to solve the rest of the question from here. So you're welcome to see my videos with your passions. Thanks for watching.